Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Today I'm calling on all bacon lovers for this amazing sweet and smoky bacon jam. Now, naturally it's amazing on a hamburger, but it also makes the best grilled cheese. There are so many ways to use bacon jam, and I'm going to show you a few more as we go. So let's get started. It all starts with some lovely applewood smoked bacon, and you'll want to finely dice this bacon. And of course we'll need some sweet onion, and you'll want to make sure that this onion is chopped quite fine. We're going to heat a medium sauce pot or a Dutch oven and add our bacon, and you'll want to cook the bacon until it's crisp and all the fat has rendered. And scoop out the bacon to a paper towel lined dish, leaving 1 to 2 tablespoons of fat in the pan. And to the bacon fat, you'll add the diced onion. Saute over medium heat until softened and starting to caramelize. And we're going to add a good dose of garlic and let that garlic cook for just a couple minutes. We're going to add back in our bacon, whiskey, and I have a bourbon whiskey here, brown sugar, and maple syrup for some delicious sweetness. Apple cider vinegar to help balance the fat and sugar. And of course you'll need some smoky warm spices like smoked paprika and chili powder. Give that all a good stir and cook on medium-low for about 30 minutes until nice and jammy. And the aroma is wonderful. And just look at that beautiful texture. Now our sweet and smoky bacon jam is perfect to go just as it is, but I happen to like mine a little bit jammier. So I'll show you how to quickly do that. We're simply going to take about half of it and pulse it in a mini processor. And now just look at that lovely texture. Still slightly warm. Oh, delicious. So now that our bacon jam is done, let's have a look at a couple more ways to use it. You'll want to try it on delicious broiled tomatoes. And how about an elegant yet simple appetizer of seared scallops with bacon jam? And of course it's wonderful as a simple party favor of goat cheese crostini. It really is such a versatile condiment to have, and it's so easy to make. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a recipe. We'll see you again.